Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set paper size in MS Word file in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the MS Word file. So how it will work? Here the lots of word sections are presented here. So in this time we will do the work from the MS Word layout options. In layout there are lots of options present here. So here we want to do the paper size. So how it will define? It will define the size we will do, or we'll click here. There are lots of options. If we want to do the table height, see the features has been changed. So legal the size, that means the size has been declared, which has been by default. Statement, see this is the statement sections, or uh, executive also it has presented. Actually the thing has been declared with the help of size defined. And A4 size, see this is the A4 size. When you printed some paper, so the paper has been printed with the help of A4 size. So then with lots of options, if we want to do the more paper size, see in this way, or in these sections we want to do the resize or customize this section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this tutorial will help you. Please subscribe this channel.